Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove pattern or password from your Samsung Galaxy A15. So first of all, you have to power off your phone, as this Samsung won't turn off simply with the power key, so we have to force restart it. To force restart this Samsung, you have to press and hold both the power and volume down keys simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Now, as soon as the phone restarts, you have to release the volume down key and quickly hold on to volume up key while pressing onto the power key simultaneously. And when the Samsung logo appears, you have to release the power key and keep holding on to volume up key until the recovery menu comes up. Here you can see. Now here use volume keys to navigate and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then factory data reset, and all the data on your phone will be completely wiped. Then select reboot system now, which will reboot your phone. After the reboot, the phone will take some time to load up, so you have to wait for it. Then this page will comes up. Click on start and move forward. After completing the setup, you will be able to use your phone normally again.